Good evening, everyone. I hope this finds y'all well. Well, let me see. Earlier we picked up our load. Hold on a second. I'm getting a little toasty in here. Oh, there we go. That feels good on the feet. Where was I? Yeah, earlier this morning we picked up our load, heading out to Cedar Falls, Iowa. We have stopped in Ohio here. And in the morning, we're going to get some fuel and we're going to carry on our way. We are 6 hours and 46 minutes from our next fuel stop. And total, I think we're like 11 hours roughly from the delivery. Let me check. We are 10 hours and 48 minutes away from our delivery. So, what that means for us is we are going to drive pretty much all day tomorrow. And the goal is to get there with like 4 hours to 3.5 hours left to spare. I think that's a good target to push for and hit, and I'm pretty sure we can hit it tomorrow. Our time, however, on our clock is what's fighting against us. Because I believe I'm only getting back like 17 hours tomorrow. And it's kind of day by day. I don't know what I'm getting for the rest of the week yet. But yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at. I've ate dinner already. I had some Dairy Queen. And yeah, it was pretty decent. Pretty decent. Can't complain about it too much. I enjoyed it. Yeah, I mean, I really don't know what much to talk about right now. It's just been a pretty slow day. Just picked up the load. I'm pretty tired right now, I apologize. Picked up the load and left. Was there for 2.5, 3 hours. Left New Jersey, drove all the way across PA. So that weren't terrible, but it is extremely cold out here. It's in like the teens right now. I think the last I saw it was like 18. It's damn cold. Like it hurts your body, hurts your bones. It cuts right through you. You can have a hoodie on and my jacket here and I'm freezing still. Oh man. But yeah, that's pretty much what we got going on. Nothing really much right now. It's kind of slow. I talked to my DM this morning and I've got my home time set up. I'll get home on either Monday, Tuesday, and I'll be at home through New Year's. So that's gonna be a nice time off. And then from there, I'll be home. I'll be back to work for another 2-3 weeks. That's typically how long I'm out for. And that's that works for me and us as a family. Any longer than 3 weeks, I can't do it. It's too much now with young kids and stuff like that. It's too much on them. So that's what I do now. But yeah, I hope everyone had a good day, good Monday. It was very much a Monday. It still very much feels like a Monday. I'm tired. I feel real lethargic. I think it's just because of the weather, really. Like it's just and there ain't really been much sunlight. So with that, you're just tired and drained and you don't really have much energy to do anything, really. And that's just kind of how I'm feeling. But yeah. Well, because of that, I'm gonna call it. And yeah, we'll see how tomorrow goes. I will talk to you then. Peace.